This is my title is Overview of Marketing Customer Focus Management represent by Group 1 Jainor B. De Guzman, Angelica De La Cruz, Adrian Potongan. Engage pretest. Answer the following question. Is marketing an art or science? Why? Marketing is regarded both as an art as well as science. It consists of certain principles which may not be exact like pure sciences. These principles and rules are put to use in the best possible manner to get the best results. It can be concluded that marketing has the properties of science and attributes of art. Differentiate the difference between needs and wants. Needs are fundamental and intrinsic human requirements, whereas wants are acquired through social and cultural influences. Needs primarily satisfy basic psychological, physiological, and safety requirements, while wants satisfy higher level psychological and social desires. Examples of needs and wants. There are many different types of needs and wants that people may have. Understanding the difference between these two concepts can help to make better decisions and improve quality of life. Needs are commonly separated into two categories: physical needs and psychological needs. Wants are commonly material goods but can also fall into the physical and psychological categories. Physical needs. Physical needs are those things that are necessary for survival, such as food, water, clothing, and shelter. These are essential for the body to function and sustain life. Psychological needs. Psychological needs, on the other hand, are more subjective and they are related to our emotional and psychological health. According to Deci and Ryan, 2000, open close parenthesis. Some examples of basic psychological needs include autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Said more plainly, we need to feel free to make our own choices, like we are capable of willfully affecting the world around us, and to feel connected to others. Explore, analyze the two figures and give your own understanding. Figure 1. What is marketing to product and services, pricing, promotion, distribution, and research? Product. The goods and or services offered by a company to its customer. Price. The amount of money paid by customers to purchase the product. Place. Open close parenthesis or distribution. Two dots. The activities that make the product available to consumers. Promotion. The activities that communicate the product's features and benefits and persuade customers to purchase the product. In some cases, business decision makers may raise the price of a product to give it the appearance of luxury or exclusivity, or they may lower the price so more consumers will try it. The term placement also refers to advertising the product in the right media to get the attention of target consumers. For example, the 1995 movie GoldenEye was the 17th installment in the James Bond movie franchise and the first that did not feature as Aston Martin car. Instead, Bond actor Pierce Brosnan got into a BMW series, although the series was not released until months after the film had left theaters. BMW received 9,000 orders for the car the month after the movie opened. Promotion. The goal of promotion is to communicate to consumers that they need this product and that it is priced appropriately. Promotion encompasses advertising, public relations, and the overall media strategy for introducing a product. Figure 2. What is social media? Social media refers to the means of interactions among people in which they rate, share, and or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. The office of communications and marketing manage the main Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube accounts.
Marketing. Marketing was born in many parts of the world even before the coming of Christ. It is simply meant, at that time, an exchange of goods in a definite place designated by those in authority like the king or anyone vested to lead the people. The purpose of this was to accumulate more wealth because of the fees collected from those using place called a market. There were supervisors inspecting goods, weights, and measures, and arbiters to settle disputes. With the advance of technology, life has become more complicated, and marketing, which seems so simple as a process at its birth, has become more complex. The original meaning of marketing seems to have been lost with concepts given by the different authors, but the real essence remains. An exchange of ownership from producer to consumer. The producer creates the product and the consumer uses it to meet his needs and wants. Marketing starts with a customer or a group at them in mind. They must know their needs, wants, and expectations. Being customer-oriented is not enough. Competition must be considered, and marketers will try to outperform each other at all times. Marketers must also be sure that the whole process will be favorable for the company. Favorable means earning reasonable profit with honor. Without profit, there's no marketing. The company is just as important as the customer is, because it provides continuity in satisfying customer needs, wants, and expectations. Profit is a requirement in business, but it's not the main purpose of it. Companies must also consider what is the fad at the time, the current craze, like K-pop as of now. Marketers must anticipate these changes by being customer-oriented and not just product-oriented. Many times there is a need of constant innovation to suit the taste of the buyers. Marketers must also emphasize the benefits derived from their products. Benefits are what customer will get when they use the product or service. Company may be better and faster in the manner of distributing and pricing their goods. Being closer to the customer can be an advantage. In this way, the company need not join a competition, being ahead of everybody else. Whether to consider marketing as a science or an art is the job of the marketer. But for sure, it has relations to the social science. It is a social institution and not merely a business activity or economic process. It is interpreted in terms of its environment, not only the market but also the marketing process itself. The entire marketing organization is a social group and operates by the principle of group behavior. It is a society means of providing for its member their material needs. This passage explains the origins and evolution of marketing. It started as a simple exchange of goods in designated marketplace, driven by the goal of accumulating wealth. However, as technology advances, marketing become more complex. The essence of marketing remained the exchange of ownership from producer to consumer. Marketer must be customer-oriented and consider competition. Profit is necessary for marketing but not the main purpose. Companies must also consider current trends and constantly innovate to suit customer tastes. Marketers should emphasize the benefits of their product and consider distribution and pricing strategies. Marketers is seen as a social institution that meets society material needs. Next is eras of marketing. As you can see in the picture, there are four eras in the history of marketing. First is production, sales, marketing, and relation. First, production. A good product will sell itself. If a product is of high quality and meets the needs and desire of consumers, it will generate demand and attract customer without the need for excessive marketing efforts. The key idea behind this concept is that customer will be naturally drawn to products that offer value and solve their problem effectively. When a product is well crafted, reliable, and offers a unique advantage, it gains a reputation for excellence and word of mouth spreads, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. Next is sales. Creative advertising and selling will overcome consumers' resistance and persuade them to buy. Promoting and pushing the product aggressively to persuasive communication and various marketing channels, it is believed that it will result in increased sales and consumer interest. This strategy assumes that by highlighting the product benefit, features, and unique selling points, potential customer will be convinced to make a purchase. Next is marketing. The consumer rules find a need and fill it. Businesses should identify and fulfill the needs and wants of consumers in order to be successful. By understanding and addressing consumer needs, business can develop product or services that meet those needs and provide value to consumers. This principle is central to the concept of marketing and forms the basic creating and maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. The last era is relationship. Long-term relationship with customer and other partners lead to success. Having a long-term relationship with customer means developing trust, loyalty, and satisfaction over time. It involves understanding their needs, providing excellent customer service, and consistently delivering high-quality products or service. By maintaining a long-term relationship with customers, business can benefit from repeat purchase, positive word-of-mouth referrals, and increased customer lifetime value.
Letter C. Best practice marketing na need to reposition. First, what is reposition? Example, may isang business kang itinayo and it's very consistent naman. Then, unexpected is nagkaroon ng pandemic. Tulad ng sitwasyon before, so paano mo uli ito palalaguin? Ang isang business mo. Example, bumagsak siya dahil pandemic. So, sa paanong way mo gagawin? Ano-anong strategy ang gagawin mo para ma-attract uli ang iyong customer? And syempre, papasok din sa isip mo yung what is unique. Kailangan unique yung business na maiisip mo at yung babalik-balikan ka ng mga customer mo. And dito din papasok ang standard service at iisip ka ng way to attract more customers. Customer focus management. In analysis, customer focus in marketing, sales, and service. First, what is customer focus? Means putting your customer's needs first. Siyempre po sa isang business or market, kung need natin ng target sales, need din natin ng target customer. And isa din dito sa goal ng isang market. Example, sa mall, tulad sa Watson, paano ba tayo maharap sa tao? First, is need natin sila i-greet and good communication skills. And sa service, napasok din po dito ang standard service. Tulad po ng sinabi ko kanina at iba-iba naman po tayo ng service. As long as good naman ang service mo, is malaking hatak na yun sa ating mga customer. Letter E. Model of customer satisfaction. Based on the idea that customer satisfaction depends on how well a product or service fulfills three kinds of requirements. First, basic. Second, performance. And last is excitement. Example ko po dito like sa Shopee and Lazada and any kind of online networking. Ito po yung i-rate ng customer yung isang product mo and item kung gaano sila ka-satisfied. 5-star po ba or 4 and kasama na po dito ang reviews.
F. Building customer loyalty and trust. Be honest and transparent. Every customer should be fully aware that they are buying and when they can expect to get it when placing an order. You can build customer trust by providing customers with as much information about the product and delivery before they make a purchase. Customer retention is a measure of how many customers stay with your business for the long term. It's what demonstrates your business ability to stimulate customers to make repeat purchases and spend more money on your products and services over time. Elaborate. What can organizations learn from their customer databases to serve these and other customers better? A company can identify patterns in customer behavior by maintaining a customer database. This allows them to gain insights that can help them develop more effective marketing strategies, personalize their offerings, and provide better customer service. 2. Is marketing beneficial to business? The importance of marketing for your business is that it makes the customers aware of your products or services, engage them, and helps them make the buying decision. Furthermore, a marketing plan, a part of your business plan, helps in creating and maintaining demand, relevance, reputation, competition, and etc. Evaluate. Read, analyze the statement and answer. As future entrepreneur, how can you develop a business that is customer-focused management? Create an action plan for customer-oriented business. To build a truly customer-focused culture, you first need to ensure you understand your customers and their needs. This involves collecting disconnected sources of customer data into a single 360-degree view of your customer and, of course, being able to put that data into action to deliver better experiences. You must create a customer's experience that propels your business forward. There are 3 essential values in a customer-focused business strategy that excellent leaders consistently manage well. 1. Trust and credibility. 2. Needs and opportunity awareness. And 3. Responsive problem solving. Encourage collaboration. Make your customer feel heard. Meet your customers where they are. Use feedback to get better. Combine data with empathy. Leverage AI. Support the teams that support customers. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.